Hey, what's up, everybody? Just doing a little drive around, look at the boat ramp down at Lake Erie Metropark, and maybe ride around and see what ice is doing all around Metropark Marina. I'll probably Bulls Harbor probably going to be shot with all the runoff, but we'll see. We'll go take a look at the lake too. See if there's anything left out there. Not that's gonna matter really after next week. Might be able to put the boats back in and go troll for some of that late season walleyes. That's always a good time. I don't know if I'll get time to do it. I got working a lot of hours, and then got a week in Islamorada coming up. Do some deep sea fishing, reef fishing. Whole different world down there. Kind of got addicted to it. And then probably June or July, I'm gonna go back to Sweden. I wanna catch. I'd like to get one of them 4 or 5 pound perch they catch out there. I'm hoping to. I was out there last spring, and I got, I don't know, maybe 1.5 pounds. A couple of those. I mean, those are average for that out there, but it's beautiful out there. A lot of little lakes you gotta hike back into. Not a lot of fishing pressure either. So there's a good chance of catching a big fat slob. Or some call them mobies. We're at the Metropark. Lake Erie Metropark right now. I'm just gonna go down and see the boat ramp. Some people were asking if it was still open water my last report, and I didn't really come and look. So I'm gonna do that for you guys now. Yep, and they even got a boat. They got a dock in too. There's a little ice at the ramp, but I'm sure you can bust right through that without a problem. I don't see any ice on the lake, but I don't know, hope that helps. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna drive to the Metropark Marina. Be back in a minute. I just want to mention too, for everybody that's not familiar with the area down by Lake Erie Metropark, there's a bait shop right by the entrance. Bottom Line Tackle. They usually have anything and everything you need, and if they don't have it, they can get it. I've always usually been able to get everything I need there, so just want to let you know that too. Looks like they're still fishing it. Looks a little, could be a little wet, but I'll get out and check it and give you guys an idea. Well, you can see the edges are toast. Don't look too bad. Where your spikes? Looks pretty good. Yeah, this is Lake Erie Metropark down in South Rockwood. In case you guys were wondering.
280, no accidents being reported. See problem from Gravistown.
All right, getting down to Breast Bay. See what's going on. Looks like there's still ice out there, but I don't think I would fish it. Hard to say. I don't know. Let's see. Get a little better look at it. It don't look like it goes out too far. Ice and open water. It looks like all water over there. Over by the Edison. Yep. If it happens, it's probably going to be mid-February. Remember, if you come down here to fish, once it happens, if it happens, don't forget the parking, pay at the store, pick up your trash when it's wet. Don't park in the grass, stay on the pavement or the gravel. Don't tear it up because they don't appreciate it. Alright, we're out Sterling again. Check it out down here for you. I'm sure the ice is still here. Just gonna be the edges, will probably be hard to get on if you decide you're gonna fish. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'll get out and check it for you just in case. Take a look and see what it looks like first. In case you wanted to fish, you can try it if we can get on it. Don't look like that's gonna happen unless you got a plank or something. Looks like somebody might have tried it and got wet. Yeah, you're not getting on. You ain't getting on here. You're not gonna get on here. As you can see, it ain't gonna happen. This is toast. It'll be a while. Still ice, but I say you can't get on it. You're gonna need a big plank, and then you're gonna have to check it. Check it there. Look at the edges are shot. From the water fluctuating up and down, so then there's a lot of current. This water's probably gonna be all dirty. By the time it cleans up, it'll probably be toast. But who knows? Maybe see if we get another cold spell. lucky enough, maybe we can get out. Driving like I'm drunk. Alright guys, thanks guys. Now probably will be next week before I give another report. Probably might be doing see what kind of open launches there are by next weekend. So I'm not going to do Bulls Harbor like I was saying. That's going to be too muddy. It'd be a waste of time to even try to get on that. I'm sure the edges are toast there too. So alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want. I'd appreciate it.